This is why you need Kidscatchup in your classroom. Let's close the literacy gap and boost every child's confidence. At Kidscatchup, we believe every child deserves a strong foundation in reading and writing. Our customized educational courses and workbooks are designed to meet the unique needs of your school. Imagine students who struggle with English, finding joy in reading and writing through our Literacy Catch-Up program. Or those mastering the 120 essential sight words with our Breakthrough Catch-Up program. We don't just focus on literacy. Our Mathematics Catch-Up program helps children understand numbers and concepts with ease. And yes, we have engaging programs for non-English learners too. Visualize your students confidently writing their own stories thanks to our Creative Writing Catch-Up program. Picture them exploring the world of phonics with fun words and pictures. Our mission: to bridge the literacy gap and build each learner's confidence from the very beginning. With Kidscatchup, you're not just teaching, you're inspiring a lifetime of learning. Ready to transform your students' learning journey? Visit www.kidscatchup.co.za